Uy, may task na sa atin si client. So, makikita nyo, si Jamie Bryan, meron na siyang task for me. So, ako nga pala si Sab. So, again, si Sab po ay yung EA natin. So, tayo yon, tayo yung EA. And then, meron na siyang message sa akin. Gumagamit kami ng Slack. So, guys, nag-effort talaga ako, guys, gumawa ng Slack para lang dito sa demo na to. Para lang matutuhan nyo kung paano nga ba talaga natin ginagawa yung task ng mga executive assistant. And paano tayo mag-isip. Or maybe paano mag-isip si Brian. So, makikita nyo na ang message niya, Sab, I need to schedule an urgent meeting with Connor this week regarding the accelerated recruitment plan for a new tech division. It's important we finalize a strategy to meet our Q2 targets. This meeting is non-negotiable and must happen before Friday. Let's aim for 45 minutes. Thanks. So, paano nga ba natin siya hihimayin? Of course, kung bago ka pa lang, considering na si Sab ay na-hire lang siya recently. So, bago lang tayong hire. Kumbaga, wala pa tayong masyadong conversation with our client. Kung sino nga, ayun nga, si Jamie. So, paano natin siya himayin bago tayo mag-respond? Of course, be responsive, guys. Huwag kayong mag-respond ng more than how many minutes or 30 minutes, ganyan. So, make sure to respond as fast as you can. But of course, huwag kayo masyadong mag-respond ng pabara-bara lang. So, first is, paano natin siya himayin? So, I need to schedule an urgent meeting. So, urgent meaning urgent. So, siya na yung nagsabi na urgent siya. Kung sino man yung taong yan, basta urgent, it's urgent. Okay? And then, Connor this week. So, this week, of course, sabi niya, gusto niya mangyari this week. So, we're using or we're considering this. So, currently, I'm recording this, kung ano mong time ngayon. So, real time to, guys. Real time kung ginagawa to for you. Para lang medyo makarelate tayo sa mga events pa, holidays, ganyan. Ang dami ko na sinasabi. Regarding the accelerated recruitment plan for our new tech division. Pero tatanungin natin, sino si Connor? Ang daming Connor. Si Connor James, Connor Brown, Connor Ju, Connor. Sinong Connor? So, syempre, isipin mo, if you're new sa client, sinong Connor to? Pero, of course, context clues. Sabi niya, regarding, may topic na kayo, accelerated recruitment plan for new tech division. So, ibig sabihin, recruitment, sino ba yung kilala mong nasa recruitment? Diba sa previous video, napakita ko sa inyo yung mga tao sa paligid or stakeholders ni Jamie. So, hanapin natin sinong Connor. Ay, oo nga pala, may Connor Davis pala tayo. So, ibig sabihin si Connor, yung tinutukoy niya, si HR manager na Connor. So, next time siguro, i-ask mo si client if it's internal, meaning, pwede mo siyang sabihin na, client, could you next time mention their name so that, there's no confusion kung sino man yan, most especially if may paulit-ulit na name, diba? Or same na yung name. Okay, so next is, it's important we find a strategy to meet our Q2 targets. So, this is the goal. And then, meeting is non-negotiable and must happen before Friday. Let's aim for 45 minutes. So, considering this, guys, makikita nyo na si Connor are within the company or nasa company siya. Ibig sabihin, you can definitely check yung calendar ni Connor. So, si Connor, ganyan. But the thing is, hindi natin alam kung yung preference ba ni Connor ay basta mo na lang titignan. Kasi guys, may option kayo. You have lots of option kung paano kayo makikipag-schedule sa mga tao. One is via, punta kayo dito sa Meet With, and then i-search nyo yung email. So ngayon, syempre wala namang Connor talaga dito sa company na to. So, or walang email address ng Connor. So, hindi natin siya makikita dito. But, magpanggap tayo na nakikita natin. So, search for people, hanapin nyo Connor, something something yung pangalan niya, and then next step nyo is hanapin nyo, makikita nyo na kasi yung calendar niya, so kung ano yung availability niya, pero wag kayong mag-schedule agad kapag hindi nyo pa kilala yung tao, kasi baka yung taong yun pala, kahit na free yung calendar niya, ayaw nyo pala nagpapabook ng meeting, kailangan mo siyang i-message muna. So best resort nyo is, of course, i-message nyo si Connor. So let's try na, let's say mina-message na natin si Connor, but for this, of course, we're going to respond ASAP. I mean, for me, kung paano ako nag-respond, let's say, on it, ganyan, on it, I'll make sure to schedule this ASAP, and then, while I'm coordinating with Connor, could you please tell me more about the discussion so I can add them to the agenda. Any helpful links would be would be appreciated. There you go. And then, ayun lang, as simple as that, pwede mo na siyang i-respond na ganyan. Pero again, depende naman yan kung paano kayo mag-chat. Pero ako kasi ganito lang ako mag-chat talaga. Lalo na kapag Slack. Slack kasi guys, it's a communication platform. Hindi mo naman kailangan maging super, super formal. Ganyan. So now guys, we're going to message someone. Okay? So let's say na gagamitin natin to. Kunwari lang, si Sub ay magiging si Connor. Okay? So, sige na nga, papalitan lang natin muna. So, si Connor. Para lang hindi kayo malito, guys. Ay, hindi. Malilito pala kayo. So, for example, ito si Connor. So, paano nga ba natin i-message si Connor? So, first is, you can check the free resources. Meron tayong templates dito. Pero as EA, I mean, marunong ka na namang mag-chat ng ganito kahit wala ng email template. Magiging okay ka na. Pero let's try to see. Yan. So, makikita mo dito na pwede mong gamitin tong template na to. So, proposed meeting time. There you go. And makikita nyo na baka pwede natin itong gamitin. Yan. So, copy lang natin siya. And then, let's say na si Connor to. Let's say, pag nag-chat ako, Hey Connor, ganyan. I hope you're doing well. Sabihin natin na si Jamie would like to schedule a time for you to meet and discuss kung ano man yung topic. Ano ba yung topic? To discuss the accelerated yan. Kahit copy nyo na lang yan. Kasi nga ay naman din yung topic. Ganyan. Pwede nyo siyang i-bold. There you go. Para hindi siya, mawala sa ano. Alam niyo yun, para ma-highlight siya. There you go. Given your usual schedule, pero if hindi naman siya, wala kang alam na usual schedule niya, then definitely, wag na muna natin lagyan to. So, propose time, pwede tayo maglagay ng time na, propose time, for example, this week. So, i-check natin yung calendar ni Jamie. So, hanapin natin na let's say, medyo free siya dito sa time na to. And then, alala nyo, ano ba yung preference niya? Make sure to check the preference, guys, ha? So, hahanapin nyo yung preference niya. Ano ba yun? Kailangan daw meron ng 15-minute between breaks. There you go. And then, kapag daw a reminder, meron daw dapat 15 minutes before high priority meetings. Since it's an urgent, let's consider this as high priority. There you go. And then, ano pa ba dito? So, ayun lang naman. Wala naman. Basta hanggang 5 p.m. okay siya. So, let's try to offer this. Offer natin to, itong time slot na to. So, paano natin siya i-offer? So, ano ba yung date? So, pwedeng date natin is April 17. April 17, Wednesday. There you go. And then yung time. So, ano yung mga time? Let's say, between 3 p.m. And 4 p.m. ET. So, kailangan guys yung time zone. Bakit? Kasi what if si Connor pala ay nakatira pala siya sa Chicago. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, Central Time siya. But, para lang wala ding confusion, okay? So, pwedeng ganyan. Pwede itong gamitin, maybe sa email, ganyan. Depende kung gaano kayo ka-formal na tao. And then, next is, mag-offer tayo, let's say, this one. So, let's say, may 15-minute break yan, di ba? Tama? So, let's offer this, 2 p.m. Oh, it's between hanggang Friday pa din siya. So, 2 p.m. So, April 18, Thursday. Ano yung time? It's 2 p.m. ET. There you go. 2 p.m. ET. Or, pwede nating i-offer yung, let's say, 3 p.m. 3 p.m. and then 4 p.m. Let's say, pagpahingin natin siya. So, 3 p.m. Or 3 p.m. ET. There you go. So, for example, ito lang yung offer natin. Kasi nga, 1 hour yun, guys, diba? So, kailangan, or 1 hour, 45 minutes, diba? So, ang agenda lang natin is, since nasabi na natin dito, pwede natin tanggalin to. There you go. So, next step, please confirm if this time works for you. If any. So, i-modify lang natin. If any of these times work for you. Or suggest another, if your proposed time, if the proposed time is acceptable, I will send out the calendar invite promptly. There you go. Hindi mo na kailangan actually to. So, send na natin siya. Perfect. So, importante, alam mo yung topic. There you go. And then, so hindi mo na mention yung time pala. So, pwede natin siyang i-edit naman. Kung gusto nyo i-edit, edit natin siya. Schedule a 45-minute meeting time. There you go. So, save natin. So, na-edit mo na siya. Ganyan. So, wait na lang natin mag-respond si Connor. Kunwari sabihin ni Connor, nag-reply siya na, Hi Sab, hi Sab, hi Sab, 2 p.m. 2 p.m. on Thursday works for me. Ganyan. So, ganyan siya mag-chat. There you go. O, nag-reply na siya. So, magsabi ka na lang na, appreciate your response, appreciate your response. There you go. You have a great day. Dami sinasabi. You have a great day. Invitation will be sent out now. There you go. So, paano ka naman mag-create ng invite? Of course, you're going to create an invite. So, sabi niya, Thursday 2 p.m. daw works. So, this one. So, it's 45 minutes. So, hanap lang tayo ng 45 minutes since it's speedy. So, hanggang ano lang yan, 40 minutes. And then, ang topic natin, iisip tayo ano ba yung agenda nila. Ito, pwedeng New Tech Division Recruitment Plan. So, pwedeng New Tech Division Recruitment Plan. There you go. So, depende yan sa, sa preference ng client mo when it comes to the topic or the title. Because usually, yung clients ko, usually mas gusto nila na yung topic muna and then yung tao. So, para alam din naman kung sino yung tao ba. Connor, and then yung pangalan ng client mo, Jamie. So, yan. Medyo mahaba pa to, as much as possible, medyo paikliin nyo pa para hindi naman siya super overwhelming sa calendar ng client mo. And then, of course, mag-add ka ng Zoom or ng Google Meet. So, let's say, mag-add tayo ng Zoom. So, nag-add tayo ng Zoom. And then, notification, sabi niya, 15 minutes for high priority meetings. There you go. So, email din. So, baka gusto niya ng email. So, let's say, 15 minutes din to. And then, of course, it's under Jamie's calendar. And then, agenda. Lalagay tayo ng agenda. So, kung ano yung mga binigay ng client mo, make sure to add the agenda dito. So, discussion of, pwedeng ito na lang, agenda, discussion of the accelerated recruitment for a new tech division. Pwede mo siyang i-bold, there you go. And then, kung meron siyang binigay na ibang mga information, kasi ako usually, gumagawa din talaga ako ng bullets. For example, greetings, depende sa topic, ganyan. And then, ano pa ba yung next part ng topic nila, discussional, para medyo maging super structured siya. Pero since medyo kulang pa tayo ng information ngayon, and nagsasample ano lang naman tayo, so pwede naman natin puntahan, pwede naman natin ilagay ito. And then, also then yung goal, ano ba yung goal niya? Sabi niya, ang goal niya daw is to finalize the strategy to meet our Q2 targets. There you go. And then, tama naman, before Friday, it's Thursday, 45 minutes yung schedule natin. Perfect. And then, i-add lang natin siya. Connor dito. There you go. And save natin siya. Save natin sa calendar. So, tama ba? And ano ba yung last thing na gagawin natin? Our last thing na gagawin is, of course, to change the color. Pero let's go back again sa preference niya sa color. Ano ba yung color na preference niya when it comes to important meetings? It's tomato. Tomato, ganyan. Makikita mo na, okay, this is urgent pala or this is important meeting. And then lastly, of course, sabihan mo na si client na, Hey Jamie, pwede natin siyang i-mention, guys. You can use the mention feature. Hey Jamie, I've blocked your 2 p.m. ET time on Thursday, 4:18 for this meeting. Let me know if you need anything else. Yes. Tapos, pwede mo siyang i-bold. Bold natin siya. Bold natin siya. There you go. And then, perfect. Ganyan. Tapos sabihin ni Jamie, you're such an awesome, you're so fast. Ganon. Mga kung ano namang pinagsabi. Ganon. So, yun. So, we're done with this. And for the next video, we're done for this. For this one, it's next video. So, and we're done. I hope this video helped you.